In this video, I want to show you how to use the LED notification on your iPhone 16e, which means every time you receive a notification, the LED over here will flash, so it will be easy to see it from a distance. So what you need to do is to go into the settings of your iPhone. Then you need to go down into accessibility right over here. Go down the list. And one of the options should be audio and visual. It should look like this one. Tap on it. And now go down this list again. And the last option is visual LED flash for alerts. By default, it's turned off. So tap on it. And over here, turn it on. Now you have two different options that are quite important. So the first one, it says flash while unlocked. So do you want this feature to be available, to be working when the phone is unlocked, like right now? By default, it's turned off. If you want this, well, turn it on. And finally, you have flash in silent mode. So if, for example, you still want this feature to be available, to be turned on when you put your phone into silent mode, well, you need to keep this on. If not, turn it off, and the LED flash alert will be disabled when you are in silent mode. So this is it. You can exit and it will work right away. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.